Hi, my name is Mohib Moses and I'm one of the directors and co-founders of Channel Dynamics. And today I'd like to talk to you about the elements of building a successful channel model and how Channel Dynamics can help you create a more successful and high-performing channel that helps grow your business. So let's begin with the premise that you are a vendor looking at engaging with a channel. Now, I use the term channel very broadly here to encompass vendors, distributors, resellers, system integrators, managed service providers, retail, e-tail, so quite broad. So you're a vendor looking to build a channel. Well, the first step is creating a channel strategy. Now, channel strategy is the number of partners, the type of partners that are optimal for your business, how deep, how broad, whether we use value-added partners, whether we use volume partners, whether we use managed service providers or hybrid partners, whether it's 2-tier or 3-tier. So that's all part of channel strategy. Now, once we've created our strategy, the next part is to develop a channel program. And this will help us recruit partners, segment them, and manage them. Now, if we're using a 2 or 3-tier, if we're using distribution, then here's where we would identify and select our distributors. We would then recruit the partners. Then there's the step of enabling them and eventually managing those partners. Now, I would call that the process of creating a channel. But for a channel to be effective, it's also about the skills within your organization to manage that channel. And so that's things like channel management skills, the business skills associated with dealing with partners, selling skills, presenting skills, and also for the other departments within your organization that support the channel, so product management and the pre-sales, means making sure that they also know how to engage with the channel. But right now, we're really only looking at half the equation. A channel model only works if the channel can take your products to market. And that means making sure that our partners know how to work with us, they understand our positioning, they know how to identify opportunities, they know how to leverage our partner program, how to engage with us, and how to influence customers and to close business. And we would refer to that as enablement. However, within your channel, there will be a number of partners. It'll be a small group, but they will be the partners that are very heavily invested in your solutions and with your business. And they're the ones that we have a high level of engagement with. And by that we mean things like doing much more strategic planning, territory mapping, managing sales pipeline, knowing how they engage us as a vendor more effectively. And it may mean helping them build a new practice that not only grows their business with you, but also their own business. Then once everything's up and running, it's the ongoing management of running that channel. And that's things like making sure they're compliant, having rules of engagement, making sure our deal registration and rebates and those sorts of elements are having an impact that grows our business, managing their performance, doing things like channel marketing, both to partners and through partners, and finally the dashboards and the reports that help manage the channel. So Channel Dynamics has built its business around these areas. So we have 3 practices. Our consulting practice is really focused on the process of creating a channel. Our training practice is focused around the skills associated with building our channel. And finally, our programs practice is really around making sure that the ongoing management is efficient and effective. So if we delve a little deeper into these 3 areas, then the first one, our consulting practice, the areas where we can help are in areas such as helping you develop your strategy. You may use this to conduct research into your channel to find out why it's working or why it's not working. We can help you design your program if you're looking at either changing your distribution strategy or just making sure that it works. You may use this to conduct a distribution review. We can help you recruit partners, and that's things like the messaging around why a partner would want to become part of your channel model. We can facilitate strategic planning sessions, both for your own organization and also for your engagement with partners, such as Partner Advisory Council. And finally, we can help your partners build a new practice that not only grows business for themselves, but also grows your business within theirs. Our training practice is everything to do with channel management. So from channel skills to sales skills to business skills, selling skills, and also the sales or the channel skills for your pre-sales and your product management people. And then finally, our programs practice is really around making sure that it all continues. So things like making sure that your dealer registration programs are working, analyzing sales data, program management, etc. One other area that you may want to consider is maybe having a channel dynamics consultant speak at one of your events as a keynote presentation. So our independent view may actually support your key messages, but more importantly, help partners be more engaged because they don't see it as purely a vendor-driven event, but also one where you're bringing a third party with an external independent viewpoint to support why you're doing what you're doing. And you'll see the organizations that we've worked with are really quite broad. We work with large companies and small companies, software companies, hardware vendors, print companies, networking, security, across all three tiers, whether it's vendor, distributor, reseller, across a whole range of geographies as well. So if you believe that your channel model could be a bit more efficient or could work a bit more effectively, and you think that some of the things that we've spoken about today may be able to help, then we'd certainly love to help you develop a more successful channel model and also help you create a partner program and a partner strategy and a high performance channel that helps grow your business. So if you'd like to contact us, please contact us on the details below, and we'd love to be able to help if we can. Thank you.